It may come as a surprise that up to 1/5 of all food is produced in cities. Urban agriculture is especially important in developing countries. And Kampala, the capital of Uganda, is no exception. In such cities, there is an abundance of water and organic waste that can be turned into food and into profit. All that's lacking is space. While all sorts of vegetables and fruit thrive in the city, dairy cows are commonly kept in backyards. This is called zero-grazing. The cows are kept in stalls and brought fodder to eat. Nabasiri Nalongo has been producing fresh milk for nearly 20 years. She feeds her cows on grasses that she grows in her garden. She benefits in many ways. As urban farmers themselves have found out, the key is recycling resources that otherwise pile up as a pollution problem. And increasingly we're learning that productive, sustainable land management is crucial in cities and not just simply a rural concern.